So splitting cycles is something that you can actually do as part of your hifz journey as well. It's not something that is necessary, but you can do it if you want to. So what it means is, if you want to memorize it into two equal parts, for example, for your target ayahs for the week, you're doing 2 pages. So you might focus on 1 page for 3 days. So how it would work is, you would recite the first page, 25 to 30 times daily, and you will space it out where you can throughout the day. And then on the third day, in the evening of the third day, you will memorize that. And that's, you've done your first page. And then from day 4 to day 6, you'll repeat the second page 25 to 30 times daily, as I mentioned. And then you include the last ayah memorized from the first page along with your repetitions. As I mentioned, we can't break up the cycles. So if you did ayahs 1 to 10, and then you do 11 to 20, you have to make sure you recite ayah 10 as well when you do your next page, for example. This is just an example I'm giving. And then on the evening on the 6th day, you'll memorize it. And then the day 7, the Sunday, you'll use that to consolidate. Or if a page needs more time, or you missed a day of repetitions, you use that day to make up for that. And then if target ayahs are split into 2 over a week, this still counts as one cycle. So remember that though you've split the cycles up, overall it's one cycle. So if memorizing 2 pages a week is what you allocated as your target ayahs, once you're more confident with the method, you should start off small. If you're doing the big surahs, just focus on 5 to 7 ayats if you want to. Or you can just do a surah for Juz Amma. You can work through those surahs first and do a surah a week. Or if you want to do 2 surahs, you can do that. And those 2 surahs will be part of one cycle, because that's what you chose for the week. And then, the new revision will be 10 pages from memory daily. So if you're memorizing 2 pages a week using a split cycle, the new revision will be the 10 pages. So yeah, I'll leave you here. Fi manillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.